Pintails again. Oh my god.
Yep.
Go! Nice. Oh, what?
That's a pintail.
Group right here, boys. Get ready.
Go!
Get him, boy! You guys ready?
Yep.
Just wait.
Hey, shoot.
Shoot green, shoot green.
Yep. They're pennies.
One pintail apiece. Is there any nice ones?
I got it. That's a Mallard. Kill that Drake. What? Nice.
How did I miss him?
I shot that Drake penny right away.
Freaking naughty.
Let him swing. Yep. It's a Drake.
These right here. Yep.
No, they're pennies.
Pintails.
Oh, that's a nice one. Somebody kill that Drake. Kill that Drake. That's nice shot. Right. That's a nice Drake right there.
That's a nice one.
No, they shot the nice one over here. Yep.
Pintails again. Oh my god.
Let them circle.
That was a nice widgeon.
There's a Drake. There's a Mallards in there. In the front.
There was a nice drake widgeon.
There's a wind in the front, isn't
Yeah, there is. You can shoot that widgeon if you want.
There's a Drake Mallard right there.
There
Young
is.
Drake.
On the right, there's a. This is
Look at
a.
all the ducks on the left.
Right.
Here we go. Get ready. Kill those Drakes.
Oh,
Ah, he got away, and the
I
one
think you
did.
smoked that one. I don't know if you shot it or not.
He's hurting though.
Good girl. Lift it up. Right there. Good girl. Bring it here. Should I go get that other Drake then?
Yes.
Heel.
It's pretty much straight out in front of us.
Kennel up.
It was still alive.
Come on, get him up.
That's a nice bird.
Good girl.
Oh, I guess he's a scrub, but it's a Drake. The other one's Mallard, isn't it? These are all Mallards.
Yeah, we better raise these.
Yep.
Go! Nice. Oh, what? One dropped.
No, we got 3.
Someone shot another Pintail out of that.
Two up top. Should we kill?
That's a pintail.
Group right here, boys. Get ready.
Go! Nice shoot.
Oh!
Those are mallard.
Yep, there's some nice ones in here. Just wait. Let them swing.
Right in front. Those are mallards. That's mallards. Oh, here we go. Are these all mallards? These are mallards. Let's kill these. Touch him up.
That one up so bad.
I got one Drake up. Nice green heads. There. Oh, I got him.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Good.
Touch him up.
Hey, sit. Good. Touch him up. Good girl. Come on. Handle up.
Proxy. Look at this.
What? No.
Penny.
Those are pintails. It's a hen mallard with those pintails. Pintails.
We can get these 5 on top of us.
See him?
Yep. Let them work.
Plus the one in the decoys.
They're coming. They're coming.
There's a stud in the decoys too.
Left side. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Don't move.
They're mallards, I'm pretty sure. No, yeah, they're mallards. They're mallards.
Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait.
Kill! Nice shoot. I don't even know.
That one out front.
What else we did.
I got 2 back here.
I got
think
one
we
out
smoked
front,
the
a
first
drake
one.
out front.
Again. Oh, Marley got one? Here! Where did we drop the other one at? Come on, girl!
Drop.
Good!
Take that one.
Hey.
This is the one that landed in the decoys I freaking shot. He's got a single curl, almost a double. Come here, Roxy. Roxy, come here. No, they're all.
Oh my lord, dude, we're just. We both barely hit it the first shot. They both smoked it the second shot. We've done that like 6 times today.
That's a nice drake.
Yeah, it is. We'll get him to drop.
I think there's a lot of pintails in there. Those are mallards.
Yeah,
Oh, there's some nice.
there's 2 nice greenheads there. Sure.
Hey, if this group comes out front, we're gonna shoot these 2 drakes that are in there.
There's more than 2.
We gotta move the mojos or something. Oh my gosh.
Shit.
There's 2 nice. Oh. There's 3 mallards there.
Hey, if this 2-pack on the left comes back around.
This whole group.
There's a really nice drake in that.
There's another drake. Those 2 mallards are coming in.
Yeah, one of them's a really nice drake.
Should we take the 2 or no?
They're both drakes, aren't they?
I think it's a hen
No,
and a
this
drake.
group right here. Look at them. They're locked.
Oh fuck. There's another drake right there. Let's kill him.
Good. Decent
Got
shoot.
one drake.
Get that one right away, probably.
Got one of this.
We got the dog seeing it. Oh, second shot. Right of the dog right now.
Nice shoot.
I think we triple tagged them.
Get him up. Fetch him up.
He got hurt real bad.
She's past it.
Good girl. Fetch him up.
A little to the right. Yeah, she's got it now.
Good girl.
Did you guys get one over there?
Get him up.
They were all hens, weren't they? Okay. Yeah, gotcha.
Those other ones.
Yep, they're mallards.
I don't see a drake.
Yeah, there is.
There he's going.
Yeah, let's go, boys.
You should probably count.
Yeah, we gotta count now.
There was 2 drakes in there for sure.
Fetch him up, Marley.
Go get him.
Fetch him up. Heel. Come on.
Roxy. Out
Yeah,
front.
dude, that dog is damn good too.
I'd-
There might have been a pintail hen in there. I think I might have smashed. Marley, come.
Oh, there's 3 ducks down out there.
Those were a little bit of a poke.
Roxy, come here. No.
Don't call.
He's climbing. There you go.
Oh.
Good shot.
Hey, we killed a hawker.
There you go.
Oh.
Nice shot. Shit.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
4. Should we shoot him there?
No.
Oh man.
That's a nice drake on top of us.
There's a few of
Another
them.
drake out there.
There's 3 or 4 drakes. There's some nice pigeons in there too. There's 3 drakes on top of us now.
Nice drake right there.
All 4.
Should we just mop them all?
Yep, kill them.
Shoot all these 4 when they come.
Oh, hey, we got 3. Nice.
I think we got the 3 drakes.
Yeah, we got both drakes.
Good job, boys.
That's good
Thanks
shooting.
for picking up my.
Hey guys, Austin Roller here with Dvorak Motorsports in Bismarck, North Dakota, a proud supporter of Dakota Fins and Feathers Outdoors. You too could have a great CFMOTO product like the ones you see in their videos by visiting us online at dvorakmotorsports.com.